Guys, here for part two of the heat flow lab. Here we have our convection station. What I had here is I had two beakers set up. Okay, one I heated on the hot plate. Okay, let me move that one. One I heated on the hot plate here, still kind of warm. Okay, I had it measured at 68.1 degrees Celsius. Okay, then my second beaker, okay, that I set up, nice refreshing cool ice water. I had it 5.4 degrees Celsius. Okay, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to combine these two waters, okay, water samples, and we will see how the temperature changes when we combine the two of them as convection takes place and the hot mixes with the cold. So I'm going to set up my mixing beaker here, okay, with my temperature probe. I'm going to read off on this thing here, okay, how the temperature changes. First, I'm going to put in the cool water, okay, and now what I'm going to do is mix in the hot, okay, and just let it sit and allow convection to occur. So we'll let that sit for a moment, okay, and we'll keep track of how temperature changes here. Okay, let me go ahead. We can collect. Okay. So it's kind of hard to see this computer from probably on the video, but I'll keep you tuned in on how things change as I move these beakers. Okay, back there so we can let our sample sit. Right now it's looking to be about 26 degrees. Okay, it is going down a little bit. Okay, so I'm not going to stir this because I want convection to take place. I really don't want to help it out. Let it do its own thing. Okay, let it be self-sufficient. Okay, so I'm going to let convection take place. I still see some ice cubes there, okay, in the sample container. Okay, so see some ice cubes in there. Okay, and then while you guys are doing that, I'm going to take a little bit of a snapshot here so I can put it in our data, okay, because data is good. Data is good, okay. Still dropping, actually, okay. Still dropping rather than rising here. Right now I'm seeing 23.4 degrees, okay, 23.4. Just so you know, about 25 degrees Celsius is about room temperature. So it's slightly chillier than room temperature right now. .1, 23.0. I'm going to call it there because it's pretty steady at 23.0. So let's go ahead and add that to our data. Okay, 23.0, it seems to be holding steady. Okay, 23.0, 23.0, 23.0. There you go, Vader. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Okay, so 23.0, folks, seems to be what we got there. So consider that data. I'll put that down so you guys can see it. Okay, we will talk about it in our labs.